All right, here we go. Penguin population predicament. Thanks to our producer, specifically the African penguin. Researchers say their numbers are plummeting at an alarming rate. WJZ is live. George Solis, maybe George wrote that, with more on this troubling trend and solutions being proposed to fix the problem here in Maryland. George?
Well, Jess, a number of penguin experts have flocked to the Maryland Zoo to talk survival, both captivity and in the wild. From their playful nature to that charming classic tuxedo look of their feathers, it's no secret why plenty of people like penguins. We found plenty of evidence at the Maryland Zoo, home to more than 60 African penguins.
I think they're cute. I don't know. I just think
I like
really
how they
cute.
walk.
What many don't know, the path this species of penguins is on is rocky at best. Penguin expert Steve Sorrow of the Smithsonian National Zoo.
It's very humbling to us that that we may actually lose this species in our lifetime in the wild.
Experts tell WJZ of the millions of these penguins that once thrived in their South African habitat, roughly less than 50,000 remain, making them endangered. Reasons why aren't so black and white either.
Human interactions, fish availability, it's a very complex issue of why they're declining.
It's why more than 20 of the country's top African penguin experts are now at the Maryland Zoo, home to this year's species survival plan, aiming to do what it sounds like, keep the population alive.
Mainly it's going to be to do with breeding and the future population in captivity.
Now there are approximately 800 African penguins in 50 accredited zoos and aquariums in North America. Here at the Maryland Zoo, over 950 chicks have been hatched alone. Penguins that are then placed in zoos across the country to help ensure their survival.
When one species declines, it affects all the other animals.
Now, one expert tells WJZ if these trends continue, the African penguin population could become extinct in the next 15 years, and many praise the value of places like the Maryland Zoo where people can see these penguins up close and learn about the problem. Reporting live, George Solis, WJZ Eyewitness News.
George, thanks. Teams of researchers are also traveling to South Africa to tag wild penguins to learn how to protect them from danger.